In this experiment, your teacher will use a ribcage model to simulate the action of the intercostal muscles during breathing. This is a ribcage model. It contains 3 wooden strips, A, B, and C. It also contains a rubber band. Which structure of the human body does each part of the model represent? Now your teacher will set the ribcage model from position X to position Y. What happens to the length of the rubber band and the area bounded by the wooden strips? Then we set the model from position Y to position X. What happens to the length of the rubber band and the area bounded by the wooden strips? In this experiment, we use a ribcage model to simulate the action of the intercostal muscles during breathing. Wooden strip A represents the backbone in human bodies. Wooden strips B and C represent the ribs, and the rubber band represents the intercostal muscles. When we set the ribcage model from position X to position Y, the length of the rubber band decreases and the area bounded by the wooden strips increases. This can simulate the changes in the ribcage when we breathe in. When the intercostal muscles contract, the ribs move upwards and outwards. The volume of the chest cavity increases and the gas pressure inside the chest cavity decreases. As a result, air is drawn into the lungs. When we set the ribcage model from position Y to position X, the length of the rubber band increases and the area bounded by the wooden strips decreases. This can simulate the changes in the ribcage when we breathe out. When the intercostal muscles relax, the ribs move downwards and inwards. The volume of the chest cavity decreases and the gas pressure inside the chest cavity increases. As a result, air is forced out of the lungs.